Hey friends, I'm Shannon, a creative crew member for Kat Scrappiness, here today to share with you the newest release featuring these cuties, the Highland Mini Moos. These Highland coos, as they're referred to in Scotland, are such little cuties. I've had so much fun coloring them, and I love their shaggy coats. So we've got these, oh, I forgot to mention, stay tuned to the end of this video where I will be sharing with you several cards created by the Kat Scrappiness design team. Okay, so here are some examples of the stamped images. I have some that are in just black and white. They have the cow with the floral kind of halo head dress thing. The little cow with the bird nesting in his little, I don't know what you'd call that, his bangs. And this one actually has a little butterfly, but I cut it with my, my brother's scan and cut, so it cut the butterfly out. I'll show you that butterfly is right here. This is what the stamp actually looks like. It has the cow and the butterfly. So another sample of some colored images. I colored the picket fence stamp. That's this one right here. I colored that to share with you an example of how that looks colored. And this one is amazing because you can line it up right next to stamp it once, line it up again, and extend that fence for the length of your card. So it's not just this small stamp area that you get. You have the option of doing a really long picket fence. It could be, you know, as long as a slimline card, or as short as just doing 1, 2, maybe 2.5 stamps to do across the portrait size of an A2 card. That's what this is right here, is an A2 measurements. I wanted to give you an idea of the size of these little cuties by putting them on an A2 card base. So that is that. Those are the Highland Mini Moos, or Highland coos. Also we have in this release is the Highland Mini Moos Sentiments. Now these are so cute. We have Muchas Gracias. Holy cow, you're old. You're utterly amazing. You're moveless. Life is short. Milk it. Hey girl. Moo-hoo. Cowabunga. How's it going? I heard it was your birthday. Just grazing by to say hello. Life is better with friends like you, and I'm over the moon for you. And also in this release is another sentiment set from the Within the Fold series. This sentiment set is called Sentiment Sampler. And here I'll read you a few from this set. We have wishing you joy on your birthday, just popping in to say hello. Thank you for your kindness. Celebrating your love today, celebrating your special day. And these sentiments are meant to be used either on the front of your card or on the inside of your card. So that's great, makes this a great set. This particular set has sentiments that cover a wide range of occasions. There we go. My words are, you know, difficult for me. So let me share with you, in addition to these sentiments on the top, we have these sub-sentiments down here, and we have happy anniversary to you both, celebrating you in a big way, sending a little sunshine your way, thank you from the bottom of my heart, hope your birthday wishes come true, love and hugs are coming your way, sending you so much love, so glad we're friends, celebrating you today. That's just a few. I didn't read them all. So that is a new release. Let me show with you what I've done with this release. My first example is the Highland Moo, and this is the moo, or the coo, with the butterfly. And here I've included Sunflower from the Sunflower Duo. That's also a Kat Scrappiness die set. It's one of my favorites. I love these sunflowers. I made this really dimensional using some foam dots in the middle to pop up that center, and then I just lifted these petals. But what I did was I used 2 of the flowers stacked on top of each other, offset them a little bit so it makes it a really full sunflower. I used some of these little hearts. Those are from the Sherbet Hearts Sprinkles. And if you didn't know, Kat Scrappiness has an enormous line of all the sprinkles and bling that you could imagine. Really, really great price. So, you know, in this day of prices going sky high, Kat has really done well to keep her pricing very low. I think these are $2.99. So if you're ever in the market for some sprinkles or bling or sequins, all the shaker bits, those ones, just wanted to let you know she has a ton of them at a very great price. Okay, I forgot to mention we have So Glad We're Friends, and that's from the Sentiment Sampler. And next we have Hey Moo, how's it going? And we have the little Highland Coo, or Highland Moo, with her flower headdress there, and some more of the sunflowers. And these letters come from the Stitch uppercase alphabet. And I use some of the heart sprinkles to adorn my card. So from here, I'm going to let you listen to some music, and I'm going to share with you some cards from the rest of the design team. Stay tuned and watch till the end, and you'll see lots of great samples using the new Highland Mini Moos stamp set. Thanks for watching.